is amazing. Let's tap our little frenzy. Zelda's first. Oops. I don't know if you can see her. I should switch over to that. Oh no! Link just fell down. Good thing there are like 1,010,000 Links out there in the world, so I don't have to worry about breaking him. What'd you get? Royal Dominion Rod, that sounds badass. Oh yeah, that's nice and Hyrulean. Ooh, he got another. Ooh, he got an Epona of Time. Even better. Yes. And Sheik. My favorite is Zelda in disguise. Ooh, a Typhoon Harp. I don't even know what that means. Oh yeah, I do. I have one of those. Or I have like 3 of those, don't I? Good job, Sheik. Go, little Amiibos. You ready to do a Ganondorf unboxing? Want to? You want to cook milk? You're the best at opening. I'll bring him over for you. Should switch to all camera view for this. All camera view for this. I'll get rid of the tubing marquee. Ooh, Amiibo. Oh yeah. I can't figure out what's camera left. You get the Zelda. I like the Hyrule Warriors in the background too. Oh, here it comes. Oh, we're gonna go from the bottom. Oh, let him out. You can feel his anger all the way over there. We'll somehow get this out. So, there we go. Flip him out the bottom. Keep that back together. There he is in his little cradle. I'm holding him in his head. Get up closer, Ganondorf. Look at the pupils. Ooh, I like the little runes on the back of his cape too. Very nice. Couldn't see that on the box very well. Yeah. Fun, fun, fun. Yeah, we get it. Hyrule's cleanse or something. Let's see what Ganondorf wants to get. Let's reassemble the box so we can save it. Yay! Ganondorf is finally free after a week of sitting on a shelf. He's been waiting for me to unlock him in the game. Oh wow, he's got an extra piece in there. Oh well, good enough. Hang out with all the rest of the boxes there, buddy. Damn, that is one of the more detailed ones I've ever seen. And they definitely made it larger, so that's good. Of course, being the genius that I am, I remembered to put my headset on, so I'm sure that was nice and fuzzy. Ooh, fun. Reported for griefing. It is watching a Teeter Toys. What's up? It is watching a kid with a mustache open toys. So Mike described it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Swords of Despair. He unlocked his Swords of Despair for you. Cape is massively awesome. Oh, where